Ever wonder how design systems keep consistent colors across hundreds of components? The secret starts with Sass variables. Sass variables are containers that store reusable values like colors, font sizes, spacing units, or any CSS value you use repeatedly. Instead of typing the same hex code 50 times, you define it once and reference it everywhere. Declaration syntax is simple. Start with a $sign, followed by your variable name, a colon, and the value. For example, $primary color hash 3578E8 semicolon. You can store colors, numbers with units, strings, even lists. The sign tells Sass this is a variable, not a CSS property. Variables must be declared before you use them. Once declared, reference them in any property. Here's the key difference from CSS custom properties. Sass variables compile to static values at build time. They don't exist in the browser, so you can't change them with JavaScript. CSS custom properties are runtime values. Sass variables are compile time substitutions. Variables have scope. Global variables work everywhere. Variables inside a selector or mixin are local to that block. Use the ! default flag to set a default value that can be overridden. This is crucial for library authors who want users to customize variables without editing the source. Sass variables use the $sign syntax to store reusable values that compile to static CSS, making your style sheets maintainable and consistent. Practice with Interview Mentor to nail your next interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.